What's going on, JW Faction? My name is Josh Williamson. So for this whole video recipe, I'm going to show you how to make what is probably, in my opinion, the absolute best chocolate chip cookies ever. Very easy to make, don't take that much time to do at all, and they taste amazing. So let's get started. So to start this recipe off, in this bowl right here, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of cake flour as well. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and whisk those together. Next, in a stand mixer, get 1 cup of cold butter, cut it into small cubes, then put in 1 cup of brown sugar. You can either use dark or light brown sugar. I prefer dark brown. 1/2 cup of white sugar, and beat all this together until it's well combined and nice and creamy. It'll take about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. After that's mixed in, what you want to do is add 2 cold eggs, about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and mix that in. Then you want to add that flour mixture that you made before, and mix that in. Finally, add 4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and mix those in. And the next step is completely optional, but what I like to do is cover it in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. What this does is just makes a dough easier to work with for the next step. Alright, so after my dough is chilled, I'm ready to shape our cookie dough balls. Now, as you can see, I'm actually weighing out the dough into 4.5 ounce size pieces of dough. Now, you don't have to do that. I like doing it because, you know, it makes all the cookies a more even size. And I think for these cookies, 4.5 ounces is the best size for them. But anyways, roll it into a ball after you weighed it out, and then press it down into a hockey puck. And then place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Alright, so after you've done all that, what you want to do is put these in the oven at 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't remember how much it is in Celsius, I'm sorry. But you want to put it in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, and this is what the cookies should look like when they're done baking. Now let me change the camera angle real quick so you can see how thick these are. Look at that. These are some really, really thick cookies, as you can see. But anyways, what you want to do is let them cool on the pan for at least 10 minutes. Then you want to repeat this entire process with the rest of the dough you have, and I'll come back and I'll show these off for presentation. Alright, our chocolate chip cookies are done. Like I said, they were so easy to make, didn't take that much time to do at all, and they taste amazing. They are by far, in my opinion, probably the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever tried. Look how thick they are. I'm going to break it in half real quick. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. You see how gooey it is on the inside? And yes, it's slightly underbaked, but that's actually what you want in these cookies. You know, they retain their height like this to keep them really nice and gooey in the center of the chocolate melty. They have an amazing taste and texture, and I really hope you try them out. But if you try these out, leave in the comment section down below and tell me what you thought, whether you liked it or you hated it. If you liked this video, thumb it up. If you hated this video, thumb it down. And be sure to subscribe and become a member of the JW Faction on a journey to 10,000 subscribers. See you later.